indaba uKenneth lo osilethela namhlanje uKenneth wakhona basithela ngelento lesifuthi sesamanzi ifutha lapha balimaza ingane yami lapha eEdington le mhlophe nebala ngavula icase uma ngifika izolo lapha kuma detectives ufika udetect oku-IO ethi ufuna i-J88 yengane njengoba ilimele uma ngifika lapha nale ngane enayishanga 10 grenade enyaweni na6 years uma ngifika lapha u-IO lo okuyena silethela uqulu athi uJacinta nginibophile noJacinta ngicela ukuthi nizosayina ama-warning statement ngimfonela uJacinta khona athi asifike kuyena lapha ya engifuna ukwazi lo Kenneth njengoba esasikhamisise la phezu kwalokho ingane yami ihleli ikhamisile lapha esibhedlela ilimele iphuma le esideni ifakile kule le nto enifake khona afaka namaphoyisa because ilimele ukukhuluma uthi udokotela ibingeke isaqondise ifike late engifisa ukwazi ukuthi yini le niyenzile phezu kwalokho nizovulela thina icase sithi instigate violence le ngane kade lethu ukudla ingahlanganisela utho nalento kuyona your police ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngithini after that sengishilo sengiqedile what deal with me let ubani wena ubani sibongo baba nechiyonda ungakuphi baba ungakuphi ubuya venda wena ophethe la in communications okay ngichazela icase ukuthi umsuka wokuthi usibona sila ngithi I went to the police station
first do my work here and I'll come and attend you go to the station and give you the property.
Okay, I'll appreciate that. Ngizokulinda.
Can I let you know, as you were saying, is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can I let you know just the police's comment on the charges against Jacinta Ngobese Zuma?
Yes, I can confirm that there is a case of domestic violence which has been opened by the state against the
And then in terms of Mrs. Ngobese Zuma's utterances that the police were a bit heavy-handed with regards to the 21st of January, can you give us a statement on that?
To say police were heavy-handed is a bit subjective, and it is good that police don't investigate themselves. Anybody who feels that police were heavy-handed against them is advised to report that case. We have got IP that investigate conduct of police. So if police actions were overboard, like people are claiming, we advise them to open cases and IP take the case forward.
Mina lami igama lihlanganisela lalela you are not here for the meeting ngikuthwele le parliament ayithunyelwa ngithinga wenze ngithi mina because angizwe uyazi ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngiyakwazi lo ayowesiyama ngethobene uyazi uthi wenze kahle wanizela because ngiyafuna leJacinta uyangizwe sesizwa leso solo lapho ufuna uzosibekela okanye experience uthi sendaweni I'm saying to you iloko Jacinta ifonelwe yimi uZuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini yazwa yini awungizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi no sorry baba that's not harassment that's not ngiyakutshela misa wena ngangilale misa wena ngilale ngiyakuthi ngishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento akusesikhathi ngine ekhaya sengane yakho I'm not talking about remember, I told you I was coming to the station. Did you see my man? Did you see my man? If you don't tell us, I see you. Nithe ngize la udokotela ufuna nize kwanina sibhedlela ngengane for uthi ukhane lonke angibe la angisizakele ngithi ukhane wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathekile yokuthengela abantu amayeza okuye bavulele case la suka angifunela umuntu olengqondo wazi into sebenza phela ifika sojila isiZulu sithi ukuthi kwele kwele ngakuzwa uyakwelezela hayi ukuthi sithi kwele kwele dala nimvulele uma ngifika la ngivula icase bayivula icase wayo uyangifonela izongixotha ngilethe J88 uma ngifika lapha kubona kufika lo owale case uthi sivule uthi ngeze kahle ngafika uyangifuna lo Justice ukuvulele icase yethu yokuthi it's violence uma ngigada wengane ngabuye ngize kuyena uma ngiphuma ngesikhathi engiphume ngasangasese bathi ngifike ngo9 bazofika ngo9 kumina sisuke ngicela uJaji ukuthi angifonele ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuna athi banayo inamba yami abakufonele ngayo ngithi ngitshela lokho abakufonele lozuba bangitshela bathi kulungile sizohamba siye khona uma ngifika ekuseni ngiqale ekuseni khona ngenze la witness statement ngisubmit onke into engikhabithayo ngiyasuka la yena lo ushiya lapho uzayo kuthiwa ngize la mangifika ukhelele lo kuyena osibopile la athi ukhelela ngimela ngithi khelele ngiya appointment lapha si11 ngithanga ukuthi J88 angize nala maphoyisa ngithi J88 because udokotela uthintana shiwe ndobina lento nayo akakwazi ukuphathiswa J88 athi ukhelele ngithi ungasuki lapha futhi mina mangisuka vele bazongicopha nje babesibophela sithe besibophela engene futhi ngimile la abangena bayafuka kanti kusilika if you can't speak even those ones